In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can get rid of unwanted hair on your chin, upper lips and brows at home very easily. If you're interested, stay tuned. Sat Shri Akal ji, my name is Gul and welcome back to Gul's Beauty. Today I'm doing a highly requested video. Because of the coronavirus situation, majority of the people are stuck in their houses. So in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to groom yourself at home by getting rid of the unwanted hair on your chin, upper lips and brows using a thread. Without wasting any time, let's jump right into today's video. So for this, we need a thread, and initially you can start with sewing thread. This is what I did, and later on I bought this thread. You can decide the length of the thread according to your comfort. This is the length which I prefer, and then tie these two ends together with a knot. We hold thread like this, and now we'll start moving one hand. I'm going to move my left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'm going to turn the thread 15 times. So to get rid of the unwanted hair, we are going to move thread like this. Open one side of your fingers and then close on the other side. We are going to use this section to trap the hair that we want to get rid of. So this is all you need to learn to get rid of unwanted hair.
Thread movement is the only thing that you need to learn. First, I'm going to start with my chin hair, and majority of the times hair won't come out in the first attempt. So keep on trying. And another thing that you need to make sure is your skin is not oily. If it is, then you can apply baby powder or cornstarch to remove the excess oil. No more hair on chin. Now let's move on to upper lips, and we are going to repeat the same steps. Threading becomes very easy when you stretch the skin, and for the upper lips you can use your tongue to stretch out the skin where you are doing the threading. So make sure you do threading in front of a mirror and in a proper light. And it is so satisfying to see unwanted hair getting removed. Now let's move on to brows. For the brows, it is very important that you stretch your skin because our skin is very thin. You can use sticky tape to stretch out the skin around your brows, or you can ask someone for the help. I don't want to make this video very long, so for the brows I'm going to make a separate video, and that is going to be a detailed one on how to get rid of unwanted hair and to shape your brows. Once you learn this technique, you can do upper lips, chin, forehead, brows, everything at home very easily. And then I'm applying toner on the affected areas for the soothing effect on my skin.
And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any feedback or a video request, do let me know in the comment section below. And on beautiful and healthy note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye.
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ।